Hello guys, welcome to Ben's Vlog. So this is how we prepare for our power cabling for our 2000 kVA generator, and we are having a lot of cable that we are going to install so we can do our load testing. So here, just watch until the end so we can see how we will make it during the tests and what will happen during the tests. And by the way, this is 2 pieces 2000 kVA that we're going to do the load testing. So we need to check everything: the vibration, the power capacity, those temperature, the oil pressure, all the things that necessary. We're going to check that one until we succeed to our testing. By the way, here in this side, this breaker is separated from our generator, and now we are connecting. So this is how the finished connections that we are done. So we are ready for testing, but anyway, before that, we're going to double check those connections if we have any wrong connections or short circuit to those line that we are connecting. Even though there is some color coding, but it's good to double check so we are assured that we can do the tests and there is no failure may happen during the tests. So now I'm done testing for the open and closing the breaker, so we are ready to start for our generator. And before starting the generator, we need to double check if the fuel is connected, oil is already have, and also the coolant is already filled. And we need to double check all those wirings and AVR if it is configured properly. And now we're going to first try to crank the generator. So this is the first attempt to start the generator. So in here, the generator is shutting down because of the under voltage, but we are going to fix that by using our software for the configurations of the AVR. So maybe there is missing configurations that time, so we will double check and do the reconfigurations again to make sure that it will work in the proper way. And here we're going to visualize why it is happen. are at 100% load for 2000 kVA. You have the load here. So now we're going to start the generator number 2, and we're going to adjust and calibrate the voltage, and let's load this. Okay, let's start and crank first. So yeah, we're going to put the load for the second generator, 2000 kVA, for 100% load. So now we're at 100% load, and let's go outside if we are okay. Let's check. Yeah, everything is good and the temperature is normal, and we are waiting for a couple of minutes before we're going to shut down this generator and remove the load, and everything is fine at 100%. The engine is running normal, and load is stable, and our engine is stable also. So thank you for watching. See you again in my next vlog.